Welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing video of BOYNEXTDOOR's second EP album called Hot. Just like their title song, Earth, Wind, and Fire, there are 3 versions of the albums. Well, let's start the unboxing. At first, I just want to buy the Earth version because I really love the blue-green gradation of the album. Their photo concept with uniform is also nice. I love school concepts because it really matches their youth energy too, especially Wuna. I'm kinda curious if you could guess my bias through this unboxing video. Ha!
Oh my god.
This is the Wind version. What I really love about this version is the photo concept. Between the 3 versions, this photo concept is my favorite. The members were showing off their boyfriend next door charms here. This photo concept is my favorite too because I prefer a photo concept which taken or looks like it was taken outdoor than indoor or studio. Some of you might be curious about the scratching cards, but don't worry, I'll make the short video when I scratch the card.
It's a set.
The last version is the Fire version. The dark blue and red gradation color make this album their darkest version between the 3 versions. They also show some "Don't Play With Me" charms here. Also, Jaehin used the beret is my favorite. Well, that's all for today's video. Can you guess who's my bias by now? Tell me your guess on the comment. Bye!